Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. Well, my name is Nidhi and I'm a Delhi-based makeup artist. Well, in this video, I really want to share about things about my journey as a makeup artist and how you can become a makeup artist if that's the career you guys want to choose. So, a lot of girls have called me or messaged me asking about how they can become a makeup artist and how they should go about it, or once they've completed the course they are clueless, they don't know what to do next. So we're going to talk about all those things in this video so that you can decide how you can make your career as a makeup artist. Well, point number one, you have to do a course, a professional course, obviously, which is very important. Even if you know a lot about makeup, doing makeup on yourself and doing it on another face is very different. So when you take a course, you are taught different face types, how to deal with different skin types, which is very important. So wherever you are, in whichever city you are in or whatever country you are in, very important thing is to find out the courses that are available in your city, in your country, or if you want to go or fly abroad and then learn. Important. Well, I did my makeup course in Delhi itself, and yes, I was always very passionate about makeup because I have been a model for a few years, and also I was a cabin crew for almost 10 years. So, some way I have been connected with makeup for many years, and I always knew how to do my own makeup, and I wanted to just take it, take a step further and learn more about makeup. So I left modeling and just got into this makeup industry. So well, I did my first makeup course from ma'am. It was a 21 days course, and ma'am has a makeup academy in Delhi. So that's where I did my first makeup course, where I learned the basics of makeup. I thought I already knew a lot about makeup, but trust me guys, I was surprised when I started taking the course. There were so many things that I didn't know, and then I realized how difficult it is actually to do makeup on someone else, because then you have to deal with different kind of eye shapes, different kind of skin type, skin texture. It's how to create the perfect base, the perfect shade. Well, I'm quite grateful that I chose the right person to learn makeup, because she teaches you makeup from the basics, and it was taught to us very beautifully, I must say that. But yes, whenever you take up a course, you need to see where you stand in terms of knowledge about makeup. Probably a 21-day course might not be enough for you. You might need a course which is a month long, or you might need a course which is just a week short. There are a lot of makeup artists who are taking celebrity makeup artists or bridal makeup artists who take just 1 week course. Probably that's also enough for you, you never know. But yes, of course, just one course is never enough. You need to learn like any other profession. In this profession also, you need to just keep learning and improving your skills. So yes, after that 21-day course where we were taught basics of makeup and different kind of eye makeups, airbrush makeup, fashion makeup, and also bridal makeup. So I am a bridal makeup artist. So now the second step is you have to choose which industry do you want to belong to. Now the second step is to decide or to choose what kind of makeup would you like to do, what interests you. Well, I never tried fashion makeup, I never did makeup in shoots. Well, I did in 1 or 2 shoots, but Honestly, I enjoy doing bridal makeup more. I feel so happy when I'm doing a bridal makeup. I feel so connected with my brides, with all these lovely girls. I mean, I really enjoy my profession then. So yes, I am a bridal makeup artist, and that's what I like to do. I don't take shoot makeups. Well, once in a while I do, as I mentioned earlier. But yes, my forte, if you say, is Indian bridal makeup, which is what I absolutely love. In fact, you know, there's so many girls who have been my brides and they are now my very close friends. So, you know, there's that connection that you make, which is so beautiful. It doesn't happen, I think, in a lot of professions. So, I would definitely say that I really enjoy my work. So now, once you choose which field you want to go into, you want to get into fashion, you want to get into bridal makeup artist, or you want to do both, that's completely up to you. Now guys, the third thing. While you are doing the course, or once your course is over, it's very important that, you know, whatever product knowledge you have gathered now, you start collecting and creating your makeup kit so that you have products to practice, you have products to create different looks. I would say invest in good products, guys, because if you try to save money here and invest in products that are cheaper or not good quality, you might just end up wasting all that money. So choose your product very wisely, choose good brands, take help of senior makeup artists or people whom you know in the industry, or help of your teacher, and create a basic makeup kit which has your foundation shade, concealer shades, eyeshadow palettes, brushes. Good brushes is very important. Again, if you don't have right brushes, you won't be able to create any look, any eye makeup look. You won't be able to learn how to blend the color properly. So yes, point number 3, create a makeup kit, a basic makeup kit, so that you can start practicing. Now point number 4, once you have your kit, it's very important that you guys keep practicing. When I was new, I used to do at least 2 looks every day on my face. It's very important. I would keep watching YouTube videos and keep doing makeup on myself or on my friends. Practice as much as you can, guys. You cannot learn complete makeup in 20 days or in 1 month's time. It's not possible. As I said, this is you know, a form of art. You will learn. The more you practice, the better you get. You know, initially, we all feel like, when I used to do makeup initially, when I had just learned, I would be like, oh wow, I did so great. But now when I look at those pictures, I laugh at myself and also feel proud that, oh my god, I have come a long way. My skills have really improved. So as I said, it will only improve when you practice. You know, I still remember Vidya ma'am used to tell us, girls, just because, you know, you have completed the course doesn't mean that you can take your makeup kit and start doing makeup on girls, on clients basically, and start taking bookings. I would say practice for 6 months, and I actually did that. I really practiced, guys. I used to watch videos every day. In fact, my friends and family used to ask me, Nidhi, what do you do the whole day? You're just free, you do nothing, you have no work. Well, I know how much work I used to put in, you know, watching videos, learning, making notes, practicing those looks on yourself, and, you know, reading about new products that have come in the market and stuff like that. That takes the whole day, guys. So you really need to work hard, learn, keep learning. Don't stop that process of learning. Now coming to our next point. It's very important to assist a senior makeup artist or to do an internship. You know, you learn a lot of things when you start doing this. you will learn how to handle or how to deal with your clients, or if you're in a fashion industry, you will learn how the camera reacts or how the light reacts to the face and what kind of makeup you exactly need to do. Because in courses or in classes we do make notes, but practical knowledge is something which is very important, which you will get only once you start assisting or doing an internship with somebody. Well, I was very lucky that I got a chance to do an internship with Pooja Sonic. Pooja Sonic again is a Delhi and Gurgaon based makeup artist. I have known her for many years. When I was a model, that's when I met Pooja in a shoot, and she did my makeup a few times, and then she got into bridal makeup industry, and that's what even I wanted to do. So I approached her and she was very sweet to say yes to my request of assisting her or doing an internship. I really learned a lot from her, guys. As I said, practical knowledge is very important. Though I had all the notes and I thought, oh, I have learned it all, but once you start dealing with brides, once you start dealing with clients, then you understand what makeup is all about, right? And as I mentioned earlier, it's very important to practice on different faces. So yes, I used to assist Pooja, remember what she's doing, learn from her, make notes, ask her questions, and she answered everything. So yes, thanks to her, I got somebody, so to assist and to learn from. So that's why I recommend all new makeup artists to find that one person. Usually, the academies where you're learning from, they offer internship. So that's the best thing if you can do something like that. So guys, now coming to the next point. How do you showcase your work? How do you create a profile on social media? Well, social media presence is very important. Pages like Instagram, Facebook, they are very powerful to showcase your work, to create the right profile, to engage with the audience, and to show your art, right guys? So either a lot of people get professional shoot done for to show their work. Well, I never got anything done like that. I just used to do makeup on myself and keep posting pictures. Posting your work pictures is very important. If you're doing makeup on yourself, post those pictures, or you can ask your friends or any family member to do makeup on them. Click nice pictures, buy a nice ring light, invest in a good ring light because lighting is very important. Learn how to click pictures, invest in a good phone or a camera. Also, it's very important to be regular with all these things. I'm not saying post every day. Yes, initially it gets very difficult to post things every day on social media, but yes, you will have to learn, you will have to create different looks and start posting pictures or post some stories. Engage with your audience is what is important. One very important thing before you decide to become a makeup artist, there are certain things that you need to ask yourself. That are you passionate about makeup? Does makeup really interests you? If the answer is yes, only then get into it. If you think that this is an easy way to earn money, well darling, it's not. It's not as easy as it looks. Yes, it looks very glamorous when you see profile of certain makeup artists on Instagram or Facebook. You think it's a very glamorous world. Well, yes it is, but it's not easy to start this journey and to be a part here and to reach a certain level. It's very difficult. As I said, nobody will give you work the moment you finish your course. You really have to prove yourself that you have learned the art of makeup, and now you can take bookings, or now you can go and do a fashion shoot. Also remember guys, there are no fixed timings in this career. You might have to wake up sometimes at 4 o'clock to reach your bride at 6 o'clock so that she's ready by 9, right? Or sometimes you have to sometimes you end up coming back home very late in the night, and the next day morning again you have work. Or if you choose a fashion industry, then shoots, we all know this, sometimes they start early morning, or sometimes the shoot keeps going on all night. So there are no fixed timings as in this profession. So this is something you need to be ready for, and your family needs to understand that. And also, so yes, these were the certain things that I wanted to share with you all if you're planning to choose this as your career, and if you want to be a makeup artist, or you're already an aspiring makeup artist. I hope this knowledge and little things help you all. Don't hesitate to message me on Insta and ask more questions. But yes, I made this little video on the basis of questions that I usually get asked on how to become a makeup artist. If you have any more questions, then DM me on Insta, or you can also comment below. Guys, if you're choosing this as your career, I wish you all the luck for your journey and on becoming a makeup artist. So yes, I'll see you all very soon with my next video, guys. Take care. Bye.